Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, and in this video without wasting our time we are gonna install and configure GitHub Desktop onto the Windows machine. So let's not waste any more time and initiate this. So what we're gonna do in my previous video, as we have seen, we have installed and configured GitHub, Git and Git CLI on our Windows PowerShell terminal. This video we're gonna install GitHub Desktop on Windows 11. So for that we need to download this. For download, you can go to Google and put a search onto the GitHub Desktop Windows 11, and you will reach out to here, download from the official website, download for your compatible, whether it's your machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. Mine is 64, so I'm going to download this. Once the download completes, you need to open and run the setup file, which will be into the ESXi format. So this is downloaded. Now we're going to install it, and then after that we are going to connect the GitHub desktop with our GitHub account. So those are the two things which we are going to do on this video today. Okay, so let's do this. So again, this has came to the same page, and let me see if I can do anything here. Yeah, so this was the page it came. When I clicked on sign in to github.com, it has taken me to this page where I have to again re-authenticate this for my GitHub Windows application. So since my session was logged in, so I just routed it, and this is the Git email with my account details. I'm gonna click on the finish. Now GitHub Desktop is ready. Now it is showing all the repositories and organizations which I have created in my online account. And just to verify that, let me show you. So for verification, we can do one thing. Let's open GitHub here, and into a side window, we are going to open this. I will go to this so that you can see AKS Terraform. We will find it. We will find it. So AKS. See AKS Terraform. So whatever the repositories I have listed here and all the organizations as well. I have three. These all will be visible here. So we have configured it, but what next? So these are not local. These are the online repositories. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to pull a GitHub repository on your local machine using GitHub desktop application, right? So if you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel so it will motivate me to create similar easy concept and practical videos for you. Till then, take care and bye.